Are you looking to start a YouTube channel that not only grows but also generates significant income? Choosing the right niche is crucial if you want a channel that will bring you high returns. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 most profitable niches that you can start as a new YouTube creator. Before I forge ahead, I have also created a video where I explained the advantages and disadvantages of having a niche or not having a niche. So this video will help you decide whether you want to pick a niche right away or whether you want to just start creating and then figure it out later. So but in case you are looking to start a channel that that will generate you massive income, choosing a high paying niche is crucial. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 niches that stands out. So let's go. Hello and welcome back. I'm Angela, the face behind this channel, and I'm always excited to bring you updates and inspire you and motivate you to become the best version of yourself as a creator. So let's dive in. So number 1, the top 1 of the most profitable niches is of course finance and investing. So if you are very vast and knowledgeable when it comes to finance, investments, money hacks, saving hacks, and all that, how to earn online, all those type of stuff, there are really niches that can give you high CPM. So in case you weren't sure if to go into financial contents and all that, perhaps you should give it a rethink, because the financial industry, the investment sector, is actually one of the high paying niches. Then number 2 on my list is health and fitness. Okay, we know that health and wellness is a very large industry, and they are also willing to pay high for their ads. So it's very easy to make good income from such content. So if you are knowledgeable, if you love creating content around fitness, weight loss, mental health, and personal health overall, it's a great niche to start here on YouTube, because it's really going to help you maximize your earnings. Number 3, technology and gadgets is another high profitable niche, and you can venture into if you are very vast in this field. So technology industry, they are always ready to pay high ad rates, okay, for sponsorships, for ads overall, to expose their brands and all of that. So if you are creating content around these topics, you are likely to make very high returns, because let's face it, technology is always updating, okay, and we have thousands of people around the world who are yet to even know about some certain things. And even content creators are also a very great audience to consume those type of videos, because content creators are also always looking out to enhance their knowledge, upgrade their knowledge about IT, AI, technology, gadgets, and all that. So if you are very knowledgeable in this field and you are able to create a channel around this niche, you are very likely to make great income, because like I said, it's one of the top 3 highest paying niche anyone can venture into, of course, if you are knowledgeable, if you are tech savvy. That's it. And the types of content you can create content like unboxing different type of gadgets. You can create content like giving reviews. You can create content around different softwares, how they are used, tutorials, how to, maybe bringing updates about the latest software that will be beneficial for a particular niche, for a particular type of creators and all that. So there are a lot of things, a lot of content that can be created around this particular niche. Now, we are not saying that there are no other niches that are doing well in terms of income. There are, but these so far are the top 3 paying profitable niches. There are other niches that pay very well as well, like educational niches. If you are into creating content that is teaching people something, like how to do this, how to do that, it's also a very profitable one. So I hope this video was able to highlight the niches that can give you high returns. And in case you are still wondering or indecisive about going for a niche or not going for a niche, my video, like I mentioned earlier, can help you clarify that and make a decision, because at the end of the day, it's a personal choice if you want to niche down or if you just want to create content around general topics that interest you as a person. Personally, I always say that if you don't have a niche right away, you can just start creating content around the topics that interest you, and then later on, when you see the type of content that are doing well, that are performing well, you can now decide to work more and create content more around the topics that are doing well for you on your channel. So thank you for watching. Do well to hit the subscribe button for more nice updates like this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.